Problem number 9. On problem number 9, they give you a picture, and I went ahead and drew, almost finished drawing the picture. I wanted you to see that I focused on the y on the 2 points that were given. So there was a point at the -1, and there was a point up at the +5. I didn't really bother drawing anything else or any of the other numbers because these are the two most important points. I'm going to go ahead and connect them just because they're connected in your graph. And from this picture, we are after two things. We need the y-intercept and we need the slope. Let's do the y-intercept first. Take a look at the y-axis. Where does my line bump into the y-axis? Up here at the +5. So my y-intercept is +5. Let's look at the slope. Remember, slope is rise over run. It's a fraction, it's a movement. So how is this graph moving? How did it have to move to get from this point to this point? I know it had to go up and over, but how many? So you could see that the movement is you had to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 5, and over 1. It's easier if you have graph paper, of course. You can actually put your finger on the screen and count the boxes, and you will see that you do have to go up 5 and over 1. So our slope is rise over run, 5 over 1. Let's simplify that and just reduce the fraction. So this really just equals 5. Take a look at the graph and notice how it's going up from left to right. That means that this slope is a +5. It's a positive slope. So for my final answer, I have to write it in slope-intercept form. That just means plug it into the formula. So it's going to be y equals 5 for the slope, 5x, plus your y-intercept, which is also 5. So the answer is y equals 5x plus 5. That is your answer in slope-intercept form.